Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Dadzoka Futushakari. It's been so long since I posted my last video. So long. It's like I'd abandoned you guys. But it is Dadzoka, and one thing that hasn't changed is that I'm still going to do my videos in Shona so that we can be communicating as Zimbabweans. I know I think 1 or 2 people commented that the entire time my videos need to go to attract like other countries, but I feel like maybe I'll do that later on after I've connected with my fellow Zimbabweans. So yeah, I'm back. It's been so long. A lot has happened between my last video, but we'll just start from here, and from now onwards I'm going to be posting a video each month, and I'm going to try to this month more. Next month I'll try and do something maybe like a vlog where I'm like moving. I'm not like on one place. So yeah, so we can start from here and see how it goes. I'm going to try and post once a month, and then maybe some other moments I'll post again 2 my video, but for now it's only going to be 1. Okay, so let's move on to our video for today. Okay, so today I'm going to be speaking about, so I've seen Pama videos the most videos that attracted people was my videos at boarding school. I think in the future I'm not going to do more my video because but if you guys have some questions, I will answer those questions through a video. So today I thought I should do a video on this comment because I feel like it was actually a valid question. So yeah, so today we're going to be speaking about theft and bullying at Zimbabwean boarding schools. Yes, so someone asked a question about that. Let me just quickly read the question. So the question says, "Hi Tendai, I'm going to boarding school next year as a lower 6 in Peru. I just wanted some advice so I don't get bullied, and how many uniforms do I need? And my uniforms, what can I do to avoid that?" Okay, so to start up Pindanya theft and stealing, just to answer her question by Zeba uniforms, I would recommend, I think she's a girl, I would recommend 2 skirts and 3 shirts in summer, and 3 short-sleeved shirts and 2 skirts in summer, and 3 long-sleeved shirts in winter with 2 trousers. Usually my trousers and my skirt, you can wear them once or twice or 3 times. I'm not sure, it depends with what you want, but I feel like that's a good balance. Okay, that 3 my shirts, never 2 my trousers. You might need to wash per weekend and either on Tuesday or Wednesday, so that but also per week you can have some fake, but it depends in the budget. Some people came with 5 shirts, the entire week they don't have to wash anything, they just wear their shirts and also watch a weekend. But yeah, that's the amount of uniforms I would recommend: 3 shirts and then 2 trousers or 2 skirts, and then I think close to all my extras I get to get my shorts, my sports, or my t-shirts, and my sports, and my tennis, and then my socks. I think 3 pairs to 5 pairs is also fine. Yeah, that's what I would say on that. And then Tishipinda, what so I'm going to also talk about you could be rock boarding school. Yes, at boarding school you could not be watching a lot, especially I think my boys, it's too much. Girls, it was here and there, but yeah, it was a lot as well. And I'm going to try and help you to avoid boarding school. So I'm going to list the things should not be one. One of the things should be is first of all is money. especially kuvakomana. I've heard stories that kuvakomana chero wakawandisa mari pai uchingobuda kungoenda kumaklasi uchidzoka unosvika isisipo. So yamani waigara uchibira mari. Kana uri musikana kana uchigona kunyanyisa kuwandisa mari yako, it would survive. Inda wanzokuisa kana mubhuku, because I feel like mubhuku kashoma kuti munhu anyasoziva kuti une mari mubhuku. Pane vanhu vanzoisa mapilo mari. I feel like that was like a common place yekuti vanhu vanga kutoziva kuti mupilo mukwasa mune mari, kana pamwe munhu anenge angorara mapilo yako unzwa something uzoidzokera. So yeah, so you can either kana uchigona kuwandisa you can wandisa mari yako. 2, waikwanisa kuisiya kwaBesa. If I'm not mistaken, I think she was called Besa. So Besa was someone from the office aitozvima school fees. But disadvantage yekusiya kwaBesa nyozongwa kana asipo waisakwanisa kuwana mari yako, plus waisakwanisa kuwana mari yako anytime. Pane maschedules yekuti inonotsva mari iyoyo, so you can leave it kwaBesa if you want. I think most of the school had this system yekusiya mari kwaBesa, somewhat at the office. And then isusu tandine option yekusiya kwasekuru vekutuckshop. So she was like our bank. Saka ukaenda kutuckshop angoti sekuru ndokumbiro pamari yangu $2 okupa, kana kuti wakwanisa ndokupiro maheu pamari yangu then ndokupa mari yako. Kana makuenda kumba kana uda kuwithdraw mari yako waikwanisa kuwithdraw kuna sekuru wao, but I don't think my schools anokwanisa kupa that option. But pedu there was that option yekuti waikwanisa kusiya mari kwasekuru kutuckshop. And then the 4th option was that kana uchira na teacher waikwanisa kuati ubatira mari ndochira ubirwa then ungosira teacher ivavo. So that was the option yekuti ukwanisa kuchengetedza mari kuboarding school. And then the food, yes, chikafu chaibiwa like my chips, my sweets, especially boys. I think it was a huge problem. Kana uri form 1 and form 2 I feel like vaisanyanya kubirana, but kana mama form 3 form 4 form 5 form 6 kazhinji kacho kwakomana vaisava nechikafu because chaibiwa. So if uda kuavoid kubiwa kuboys, I think zvaisashanda kuisa locker patrunk ravo kana pamona because vairi gwejenura lock. But kwasikana kanga kashoma kuti gwejenura lock, so it was much safer wakaloka your trunk or your monarch than kurisiya rakavhurika. So yeah, always lock your trunk kuti usabirwe. But kuboys it's a bit tricky, especially kana wati kurei vanokwanisa kubira chiro zvakadaro. And then the other chinhu chichi3 is my uniforms anobiwa futi kuboarding school. So from the comment yandaisiro atanza ari kuenda A level, kazhinji kacho kana uri A level you wouldn't worry about kubira my uniforms because memuri vashoma, saka shoma kuti mubirane kana muri vashoma. Whereas kana ari maform 1 form 2 form 3 form 4 ari kupfeka uniform yakafanana unokwanisa kubirana nemari form 1 kana form 2 kana form 3 kana vari muform 4. So kazhinji kacho kuti usabira mauniform kana vanhu makawandisa is kunyora nepermanent marker mukati mekola or anywhere paunenge uchida kuti permanent marker ibve. And or unokwanisa kusonesa inonzi zita rako pamauniforms like kuita zvekusona pasingaonekwi pasingazonekwi munhu wese, but zvekuti chero munhu akazoba kana achida kubvisa panosara pane mastage paikambosonwa. And then the other issue was chaizoita kuti vanhu varasike nemauniform inyaya yekuti wakayanika hembe kana usina kupfeka hembe dzako dzaikwanisa kubhururuka, then dzakabhururuka then dzaikwanisa kuzoswera dzakana kuzvinhu zvemaform 1 then unenge washaya hembe dzako. Saka always make sure kuti unoenda nemapegs nemahenga kuti zvinhu zvako zvigare zviri smart, mauniforms yekuti mauniforms ako angogara ari pane 1. And futi wakawacha mauniforms as soon as possible, just remove your uniforms than kuti arare ari pamline. And then the 4th thing chaibiwa futi was my books, my pens, my books, kana my counter book, which were notebooks. You can write them on the side. You can write your initials or your name pama books per side. Or kana ari my pen ainetsa kunyora but vamwe vanaikwanisa kuapisa like saizoti angu mapeni ese akapiswa vaitora like a candle then wapisa. And also kuti usapiwe mapeni, usaine nemapeni akawanda kushkoro like 5 big, just take like 2, and so that you can manage your pens very well. So yeah, that's how I try to speak fast so that the video ite long stereke. So ndo boarding school, and that's the way. That's share my ways with how you can avoid kubirwa. And then the last thing that she asked was about bullying, being bullied at school. So usually we didn't really face bullying that much. So bullying for me, it's like unziende wachiro zvimwe munhu kana kunzi nditiro izvi ndipe chikafu chako chichichi zvisanyanyisa kuitika. But other boarding schools, especially my boarding school and Wakomana Chit, I've heard that zvaiitika. But you just have to know that you might meet with people who are a bit mean, who are a bit rude. So they are not bullies as such, but rude or mean. So you can be prepared for that, and that's something that should also be prepared. University, you meet those people, they are not bullies, but they're a bit mean, they're a bit rude. So for you to have peace of mind, what I would recommend is always choose the right circle of friends. So choose my friends to feel low. Just be with the circle of friends and uplift. That's the one thing that I would advise. And always be confident. So and develop strong relationships. Kana mnachita ma-sciences kana ma-arts, usangotani ma-arts chiti chimbutoni ma-sciences can be something that just kungomoresana ungotimisa ungoita a strong relationship seyana ningari pachikoro chimwe chete. And what else would I recommend? To avoid being aggressive or passive, or whatever. I feel like you should just be humble, and wakabuliwa always speak up to your teacher, your senior, your matron, or reporter. So that's what I would recommend. Bullying. Yeah, so I wanted to keep the video as short as possible. So yes, I hope I've answered your questions. Nakandi a commenter, and I hope I've answered one of my questions out there about bullying and theft in boarding school. I would worry more about theft rather than bullying, because I feel like, I don't know, so these days bullying is not really like, you will meet people who are mean and rude, but it's not really, you won't get that bullying, but you just have to make sure you are in the right circle of friends, or what's have to be protected as well. Yeah, so yeah, that's all. That's the video that I have for you today, guys. If you guys have any stories to share about theft or bullying at boarding school or anything, just comment down below. And I hope you like this video. Please share, subscribe, and like. What else? I don't know. Yeah, share, subscribe, like, and comment. I hope this video was very educative for you guys. Yes, so I'll see you guys on the next video. I'll try with the next video I'm meant to try and do other things. So we're going to be doing cooking videos, traveling videos, a day in my life, or whatever videos. So I'm going to try and be more active rather than kuka and digitaura. So yeah, I can't wait for this other era. I think like this video, guys. Please share, subscribe, and like, and see you in the next video next month, which will be July. So I'm going to post this one in June, and hopefully I'll post another one in July. In fact, I think anytime I feel like posting, I'll just post. I'm trying not to have a schedule, because I feel like the schedule is really hard to stick. No less I'm trying. So let's say next week if I've got another video I want to share, I'll just post it. Yes, I'll try and post at least once or twice a month. So okay, see you guys, bye.